Well, today is Henry Kalani Tai Hook's regatta. He was my grandfather. He did a lot of fishing in Hukilau. Most of you might know the Black Pot Beach. That was named after my grandfather, and that came from him cooking for all of the hippies back in the days in an open pot that became black, and the name Black Pot came about. He was a great supporter for the Hanalei Canoe Club and also for the Hanalei community. Was known as the unofficial mayor of the North Shore, and so this regatta is in honor after him. This year is our Hanalei Canoe Club 50th anniversary, and his regatta will be following that in a few years.
Vivo Kiwi! Eu! Coco Ku Coco! Eu! Pili Kamo'o! Mahalo! We're trying to work out some difficulties with this sailboat that's blocking lane 5. It may take us a minute or two to try to drag the anchor a little bit, so sorry for being delayed, but we want to be able to use all the lanes today for all the races.
I grew up paddling in Lanikai. I paddled from 10 years old to 18. My kids started paddling. I had to start coaching. So then I started coaching. And then the adults are like, hey, if you're here, you might as well paddle. I started paddling and now it's consumed us completely and entirely. But I love it. I think it saved my motherhood. Getting it back in the canoe is definitely what I needed. They're fun.
Usually I'm up front. Very nervous. It was squirrely, but it was fun. It was fun! Had a good time.
I'm ready to go. I was born ready.
That's so weird.